Hello dear fans. What happens to a person while intoxicated? Alcoholic drinks have long become a must-have in people's lives. It's hard to imagine a wedding, party, funeral, or just a gala dinner without alcohol. The main property of alcohol is the ability to lift your mood and eliminate stress. Under the influence of alcoholic beverages, the significance of negative events, fears, and obsessive thoughts is significantly reduced. There are 4 stages of alcohol intoxication, in each of which a person behaves differently. Mild intoxication. With a mild degree of intoxication, the blood alcohol content is not more than 2%. Outwardly, the person behaves completely adequately, but already begins to feel a slight euphoria. A pleasant warmth spreads through the body, the muscles relax, and the person begins to feel comfortable. The mood rises, the world around us is seen in rainbow colors, the events of the past life are subject to rethinking and lose their tragedy or significance. The environment begins to dispose to communication, stiffness and shyness disappear. In a company that is in a mild degree of alcoholic intoxication, a friendly atmosphere reigns, loud laughter is heard, and a desire to share one's innermost thoughts appears. A mild degree of intoxication passes rather quickly. Average degree of alcoholic intoxication. With a moderate degree of intoxication, the alcohol content in the home is approximately 2 to 3%. In this state, a person's mood begins to fluctuate greatly. Love and vows and eternal friendship can be replaced by the usual phrase, "Do you respect me?" With the growth of intoxication, human behavior begins to be completely unpredictable, the feeling of danger dulls. A person who is in a moderate degree of intoxication can pose a danger not only to himself, but also to the people around him. An intoxicated person cannot normally concentrate on any one thought, his consciousness is clouded. The person already begins to poorly control his movements, walking becomes uneven, there is a readiness to commit illogical, sometimes even insane acts. Strong stage of intoxication. With a strong stage of intoxication, the amount of alcohol in the blood exceeds 3%. A person's speech becomes slurred, as if he finds it difficult to find the right words. Hearing decreases, handwriting becomes illegible. It is extremely difficult for a severely drunk person to adequately assess the environment. With further intoxication, the former gaiety and excitement are suppressed. The man begins to mutter something indistinctly. There is a complete inhibition of not only the brain, but also the subcortical centers. A person can fall asleep anywhere, on the street, at the entrance, under the table. He is no longer worried about the obvious inconvenience and ambient temperature. Severe intoxication. With a severe degree of intoxication, gross neurological disorders begin to appear. Alcohol intoxication can be accompanied not only by deep sleep, but also by breathing disorders, even an alcoholic coma. A person can die from cardiac arrest and breathing, from suffocation with his own vomit, from severe hypothermia, from accidents in transport and in everyday life. In case of severe alcohol intoxication, the intervention of specialists is required and the delivery of the victim to the toxicological department of the hospital. The use of 300 to 400 grams of pure alcohol can be fatal. The lethal dose of alcohol for a person is considered to be 8 grams of ethyl alcohol per 1 kilogram of body weight. It turns out that a person weighing 90 kg can die from 720 grams of pure alcohol. However, a very small amount of alcohol can also lead to alcohol intoxication, especially when it comes to children or people with poor health. Thanks for watching.